Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Anika Kahir and today I'm going to cook chicken macaroni. So let's introduce my ingredients with you all. So this is, I have taken black pepper 2 tablespoons, this is chili sauce 3 tablespoons, soya sauce 3 tablespoons, vinegar 2 tablespoons, salt to taste, and ginger garlic paste 3 to 4 tablespoons, and this is, I have taken chili paste, and I have taken 1.5 kg chicken. So now I'm going to start cooking. So here I have taken a pan, and on the burner I have taken 1.5 kg because it gives very much flavor to my macaroni. So I mostly take most of the chicken with me. Now I'm going to add chili paste in my chicken. Soya sauce, chili sauce, black pepper, ginger garlic paste, and salt to taste. After adding all the ingredients in my chicken, now I am going to mix it very well. And you can see how much water here, although I have not even added any water in the chicken. Chicken itself needs water and it will boil in itself. After adding all the ingredients in it, I have covered up the cap and it will take 10 to 15 minutes to boil the chicken. So now let's come to the second procedure of macaroni. Now my second procedure is started. I have taken oil and salt, water to the boiling point, and now I am going to add salt to taste in it. And some of the oil I will add because my macaroni and spaghetti I will not stick with each other. Now I am going to cover it up so that it will boil up very good. Now you can see now my water is come to a boiling point. Now I am going to add spaghetti and a macaroni in it. So that's it, done. I have taken 1 packet of spaghetti and mostly half of the packet of macaroni. So now here is the half of the macaroni. Packet of macaroni is here. Now I am going to add in it. Now I am going to mix it very well so that these both will not stick with each other. Now you can see how it looks like. Now I am going to cook for just 5 minutes so that it will cook very well. So viewers, now you can see here my spaghetti and the macaroni come to a boiling point. Now you can see it. I am going to show you how it looks like. See, it becomes al dente. Al dente means soft to a mouth. Now I am going with a cold water so that it will not stick with each other, and drop all the hot water to the sink. So here, see, it soaks all the water and it is boiled. Now I am going to off the flame and moving towards my third procedure. So here I have kept all the chicken in the plate. So now I am going to make the slice of the chicken. First let it cool down. So in my third procedure I have taken capsicum, 2 large ones, carrots, 2 large ones, peas, half of the kg, spring onions. I have separate separate from onions, and here is the onion. Now in the same pan I have added half of the oil and add onions from the spring and make it soft. Now you can see how my onions look like. I will not make it brown, just soft. Now I'm going to add carrots and the peas in it, peas in it. Mix it well and cover it just for 5 minutes to come to a soft. Now after 5 minutes I'm going to add this cabbage and a capsicum in my vegetables and mix it well. After 3 to 4 minutes, now you can see how my vegetables look like. Now I'm going to add chicken in my macaroni to make it more delicious and more yummy. And now you can see I'm going to add my cooked noodles, spaghetti and macaroni in it and mix it well and just cook it for 2 to 3 more minutes, then it will complete. Here you can see I have mixed it very well and my chicken macaroni is already cooked. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel, like my video and do comments and just click on the bell icon so that you will get my latest videos notification. Till then, Allah Hafiz.